Are you planning to relocate to Germany, Switzerland, or Austria and renting a house or an apartment? Are you already living here but struggling to communicate with your landlord or paying the bills? Understanding common German phrases used for apartment hunting or communicating with landlords can make your life here a lot easier. So in this video, I'll cover some useful German phrases for renting an apartment, talking to your landlord, and paying the bills, along with the correct pronunciation and English translation to help you navigate the process with ease. Also, make sure to stick around until the end of this video for a practical example as well. If you're new here, hallo und herzlich willkommen. I'm Salome, a native German teacher from Frankfurt, and on this channel, Speak Fluent German, I teach practical German to help you navigate daily life. So if this sounds like something you need, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly lessons. Alright, let's start with the words and phrases you'll need for apartment hunting. The apartment hunt in German is die Wohnungssuche. This actually consists of two words, die Wohnung, which means the apartment, and suchen, which is the verb for to search. Die Wohnungssuche. So if you want to say that you're on an apartment hunt, you can say Ich bin auf Wohnungssuche or Ich suche eine Wohnung. I am searching for an apartment. If you want to know how much the rent is, you can ask, wie viel kostet die Miete? Now be aware that in German we differentiate between Warmmiete, which is the rent including additional costs such as heating and electricity, and Kaltmiete, which is the rent excluding additional costs. So make sure to ask whether the rent mentioned is warm oder kalt. If you want to ask whether there is a deposit, you'll need the word die Kaution, which means the deposit. Gibt es eine Kaution? Wie hoch ist die Kaution? Another important information you'll want to confirm is the numbers of the rooms. So in Germany, the rooms include every room, so the bedroom obviously, the study rooms, living rooms, etc., besides the kitchen and the bathroom. These are not counted as rooms. So the word for room in German is das Zimmer. And the plural version is the same word with the only change in the article, die Zimmer, the rooms. So you can ask, wie viele Zimmer hat die Wohnung? You'll probably also want to know whether the apartment is furnished or not. For this, you will need the word möbliert, or for unfurnished, unmöbliert. So you can ask, ist die Wohnung möbliert oder unmöbliert? Also, a quick reminder here that you can always rewind this video and watch it again to really practice those phrases, so you'll feel confident to use them by the time you need them. Alright, let's take a look at a few more phrases you'll need when making an appointment to view the apartment or asking details about the next steps. Können wir einen Besichtigungstermin ausmachen? Die Besichtigung means the viewing, and der Termin is the appointment. If you want to know more details about how to make an appointment over the phone in German, then definitely check out this video next for an in-depth tutorial. So if you're interested in the apartment, you can then say, Ich bin interessiert an der Wohnung. And when it comes to finalizing the whole process, you'll need to ask about the rental contract, which is der Mietvertrag in German. Die Miete, as mentioned earlier, is the rent, und der Vertrag is the contract. Achtung, common false friend is using die Rente for the rent. However, die Rente in German is the retirement pension, so you definitely want to watch out for this. So you can say, kann ich den Mietvertrag sehen? Wann muss ich die Miete bezahlen? Wie kann ich die Miete bezahlen? Kann ich die Miete per Überweisung bezahlen? Wie viel muss ich für die Nebenkosten zahlen? In general, it's important to remember that communication is key when renting an apartment in Germany. Landlords may have specific requirements or procedures for renting and paying the bill, so it's always a good idea to ask questions and clarify any uncertainties. Alright, now that we have the most important phrases covered, let's take a look at a practical example. Guten Tag, Kolb hier. Ich habe Ihre Wohnungsanzeige auf ImmoScout gesehen und möchte gern wissen, ob die Wohnung noch verfügbar ist.
Ja, die Wohnung ist noch verfügbar.
Ah, super. Wie viel kostet die Miete?
Die Kaltmiete beträgt 650 Euro und dann kommen noch ca. 200 Euro für die Nebenkosten dazu.
Okay, und wie viele Zimmer hat die Wohnung?
Ein Zimmer, eine Wohnküche und ein Bad.
Okay, super. Wie hoch ist die Kaution?
2 Monatsmieten.
Ist die Wohnung möbliert?
Ja, die Wohnung ist voll ausgestattet.
Ah, das klingt super. Also ich bin interessiert an der Wohnung. Wann kann ich die Wohnung besichtigen?
Sie können gern morgen vorbeikommen, so gegen 14 Uhr.
Oh ja, perfekt. Das passt super. Vielen Dank. Sagen Sie mir bitte nochmal die Adresse.
Ja, die Adresse ist die Hagenegger Straße 156. Bis morgen.
Tschüss. Being able to communicate in German effectively is definitely going to make your life here exponentially better and help you to avoid a lot of stress. So if you're interested in kickstarting your German learning journey successfully, then I highly recommend getting started with my free training for beginners. I share valuable tips on German pronunciation, daily life conversations, basic grammar structures, and a lot more. The link to register for free is in the description box below, and I would love to see you there. So here you have the most important phrases to make your apartment hunt in Germany as smooth as possible. I hope you have enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments below which practical situation I should cover next. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!